This video is about the highlights of Athens, a city where ancient ruins, modern chaos, and excellent food all coexist peacefully, most of the time. Think of it as a first impression. If you like what you see, you can dive deeper, do a little more research, and decide whether Athens is your kind of beautiful, historical madness. So why should you visit Athens? Let's start with at least 15 very convincing reasons, purely scientific, obviously. The Acropolis, a giant rock in the middle of the city that somehow became one of the most important landmarks on Earth. People have been climbing this hill for over 2,000 years, and you're about to do it in sneakers, complaining about the heat. Parthenon, still standing after wars, earthquakes, and tourists. It's basically the original influencer. Everyone takes photos of it, nobody remembers why, but it looks amazing from every angle. History everywhere. In Athens, ancient doesn't mean a museum. It means ruins casually placed next to cafes, apartment buildings, and souvenir shops. The food, souvlaki, gyros, fresh bread, cheese, olive oil, it's the Mediterranean diet, which means it's healthy and somehow still addictive. You'll eat non-stop and still feel proud of yourself. Coffee culture. Athenians don't drink coffee, they commit to it. 1 cup can last half a day, and nobody is in a rush. Time moves slower when caffeine is involved. Sunshine. Athens gets so much sun that sunscreen becomes a personality trait. Rain is considered a surprising event worth discussing with strangers. Rooftop views. Because where else can you sip a cocktail while staring at ancient temples like it's totally normal? Nothing says relaxing vacation like history judging you from above. Street cats everywhere. Sitting on ruins, sleeping in shops, staring into your soul. They are well-fed, confident, and clearly in charge of the city. Walkability. You can walk from ancient temples to modern shopping streets in minutes, accidentally burn calories, and immediately replace them with pastries. People, loud, expressive, friendly, and allergic to indoor voices. Conversations are passionate, opinions are strong, and hospitality is taken very seriously. But wait, Athens is not done yet. It's a huge cruise destination. Ships arrive daily at the Port of Piraeus, releasing thousands of tourists into the city like it's a historical theme park. Athens handles it like a professional. Island hopping access. Athens is basically the lobby of Greece. Ferries everywhere, islands calling your name, and your schedule quietly falling apart. Beaches nearby. Yes, you can explore ruins in the morning and swim in the sea by afternoon. Athens refuses to make you choose between culture and a tan. Shopping. Ancient markets, modern malls, tourist traps, and tiny local shops all competing for your money. You will buy something you didn't plan to. Guaranteed. Nightlife. Athenians consider 9 p.m. early. Dinner starts late, drinks start later, and sleep is optional. Somehow, everyone still functions the next day. And just when you think Athens is stuck in the past, modern life hits you. People check Instagram next to temples, startups operate in historic buildings, street art covers entire neighborhoods, and ancient philosophers would probably be very confused, but impressed. I hope you will find this video useful and give it a big thumbs up. Thank you and happy travels.